बढ़िया। मार्केट में सब इंतजार कर रहे हैं। चलो जल्दी चलते हैं।
This tea is perfect today.
It is so refreshing.
Hot vada pav and chai, fresh!
Look at all these scooters. Perfect shot for the blog.
Yeah, it's buzzing. Look, what a lovely sight.
Hello everyone.
So beautiful. Keep going.
All right class, let's practice our ABCs by drawing them.
I'm drawing an apple, teacher.
Wonderful. And who can draw the letter B? Excellent work everyone. Keep going.
Here, you can have the apple.
Wow, thanks. And you should have a cookie.
Yay, thank you.
Want to share my sandwich?
Yes, please.
This is fun.
Let's add fresh coconut for the chutney. Now, into the grinder to make it smooth. Listen to it grind, it's almost ready. Perfect, so smooth and fresh. The sun is rising. We should finish soon.
Yes, the fish will be waiting. Let's spread it out.
Careful with the knots.
I've got it. Almost ready.
Ready, my love?
Yes, let's cast it.
It spreads so beautifully.
Just like our days together.
Look how heavy it is.
Let's pull it in together.
Yes, pull.
Whoa, so many fish!
Our best catch ever.
What a blessing!
We've caught so many fish today.
Yes, a wonderful catch, my dear.
Oh, look, a dolphin.
It's so beautiful.
It's swimming with us.
It's getting so big. Yeah, let's make it taller. Watch out, here comes a big wave. Whoa, it's splashing everywhere. Let's build it again. Yeah, I'll build the wall. I'll add the windows. It's finished. Wow. Another wave. That was awesome.
This coconut water is so refreshing. My ice cream is the best. Mine is so creamy. This is the best beach ever. I'm so glad we're here.
Ready? Let's get this coconut.
Yes, pull hard!
Got it. Let's go home.
Hop on, my love.
So much rain. Be careful.
I will. Hold on tight. This rain makes everything magical, doesn't it?
It's so beautiful with you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Almost home, my love!
Yes, I see it. This rain is so relaxing.
Yeah, perfect for chilling.
A rainy beach walk is the best.
Totally. The ocean looks amazing.
These onions are ready. Now for the cauliflower. Coriander and green chili. All ready for the pot. pakoras and chutney, fresh and hot.
They smell wonderful, dear.
I want one too, please.
Here you go, my love.
Mmm, so yummy.
Perfect.
वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू एवरीवन.